I would have done longer, but then I got yelled at.
Your attention, please.
She'll help Ariel, all right. Poor Ariel.
I lived in the past, I've been nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me well a witch. But you'll find nowadays I've ended all my ways. Repentance in the light and made a switch. Yes, poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one longing to be Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sick, so true. They come flocking to my corporate place, filled with rubies, and I help them. Yes, I do.
Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get to the bottom of this. I bring good news. Your clamshells will begin moving immediately. Stay in your seats now.
Sometimes I get a little confounded and confabulated, but otherwise I'm... What's the word?
Alright guys, leave your comment down below who's gonna win. It's probably gonna be Ashley. It's not gonna be me. I don't think I've won the last 2 times. So we're gonna go with, she's 2-0. I haven't won. So leave your comment down below if I can make the epic comeback and finally turn my game around and beat her on Toy Story Midway Mania.
There's a little guy we know, spends all day just on the go, and he loves to mine for nuggets, cowboy style. Slowly barely turn the crank, he's okay this way and that. As he whistles and the music on the line. He was born in Pennsylvania, but he was just a lad.
Just a safety reminder to be facing forward the entire ride. Thank you.
And
If you're facing backwards or to the side, I need you to face forward between those critters for your safety, please.
So I hope you enjoyed that quick little spin on Jesse's Critter Carousel. I would have done longer, but then I got yelled at. I got told to face front, even though I'm a 28-year-old grown man that was holding on anyways. But I got in trouble for standing sideways because, yeah, I couldn't. They didn't have enough of the critters to actually for me to sit on. So I was like, oh, it's okay, I'll just stand, it's no problem. Ashley got to ride, and I just went around, and then I still got in trouble. I was being an old man. Anyways, I have yet to tell you guys, I won. I broke my losing streak. I won. We were actually neck and neck the entire way. Up until the last game, I was losing by only 100 points. And I ended up winning by 17,000, I think it was, on the last one. I couldn't miss on the last little shoe where you just go basically as fast as you can. But anyways, I broke my losing streak. I'm back on top. So I think we're gonna pass on the roller coaster for now because it's starting to get really hot. When you get off the roller coaster, it makes it really, really hot. So maybe we'll go try to ride stuff in Cars Land, go check out Mater's, or we're just gonna try to kill some time before lamplight, because we still have about 2 hours until that. So it's about staying cool, enjoying ourselves, and maybe we'll go walk down and try to ride Inside Out or something. So before we go, I actually wanted to ask all of you, what do you do when it's too hot, especially in DCA? We've done this in Disneyland before. You know, we like to do Abraham Lincoln. We like to just, you know, do a little shopping, enjoy some AC. What do you all like to do in DCA when it is hot? Are there any rides that you like, any attractions that you like? Leave your comment down below and let us know what you like to do when it is just too hot to walk around or sit outside. So really quickly, we decided to come over to Angry Dogs, which is just a basic kind of hot dog stand. We talked about this in our last time over here, but we got the spicy all beef hot dog, which I will take out and show you. And they come with flamin' hot Chester fries. So for 2 of each, with the fries and the hot dog and a water, it came out to $22, so it's a little on the pricier side, but I don't know, it looks good, it sounds good, so let's give these a try. It's got a little kick to it. It's not overly spicy, but it definitely does have a kick, so I would get the non-spicy for little ones. For adults, even if you only like a little spice, this might be for you. And it is very beefy. It doesn't taste like overly processed or anything. So overall, it's not a bad little hot dog. It's not bad.